there is a basic difference to being rich and being poor, and these basic ideas are what which make them a tremendous success. There is also difference between being rich and being wealthy. So basically, if one man has a very high paid salary and his expenses are more, and he will also be not able to live or survive even 3 to 4 months, but man who is wealthy may also live a quality life and have a huge number of assets in his wallet. Hey, what's up, myself Nirmin, and in this video we are going to quickly know or quickly get acknowledged what rich do that we don't, or what steps rich do that we usually don't take in our finance or many other systems. So yes, let's deep dive in this video and let's start the video. The thing is, money is not going to make you rich. The decisions which you take financially or with your money investing are what going to change your life. Better decisions always lead to a better life. So buying expensive clothes, means cars, real estates, and all these things which are not in your budget are what are called liabilities, and these liabilities always cause a huge loss in the future or for the long terms, which don't even give 1% or 2% of returns on your life or what you invested in. Assets are the things which put money in your bank account or in your bucket 24 hours, and liabilities are the things which are going to take back the money from you, from your bucket. Money comes and it goes, obviously, but you are the one who are going to invest it and basically build a tower of your own wealth. This is how a rich person's bank statement looks, and this is how a poor statement looks. To create wealth, rich people mainly think about their future circumstances of their financial decision, whereas poor people keep buying cars, real estates, and many such liabilities. Remember, poor people do not work for the money. They do such things that the money work for them even for 24 hours, like they invest in assets, bonds, stocks, income generating real estates, royalties from intellectual properties like music, scripts, and patents. Rich people let their money work for 24 hours a day, but the poor people work for the money and their money works only for 9 to 5 working hours for a day. That's really rest from the rich people, which are making a huge difference. Rich people always invest their wealth looking towards the long term, taxes, and many other things. Richard once told that if you want to get something, first give something and you will receive it in like buckets. So that was a simple formula for being rich, and there is a very basic, as I have told, difference between the to being rich and to being poor. So now you should decide what you should be, and this was a very big or very small lesson which I got from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad from Robert T. Kiyosaki, and it is very inspirational book. You must read it if you are a financial lover or if you love these topics. So if you like my video, do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will meet you very soon as possible. So yes, ciao, bye.